Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 5 of my Lamborghini Sian build. Last time got the gearbox hooked up to the differential here and got this started, so let's continue. So now we have another little L-beam. And we're going to put some pins in here, like so. And then what is that? Oh, we have to use this piece, the 4 pins, the axle connection, an L-beam, big L-beam, 15, the last 15 beam, so far, and let's see, we're facing this way, and I need to put that on, like so. And then a couple of axle pins on either end. Okay, and then the 90-degree 2 beams on those axles. And long blue pins. Okay. Like that. And that goes on the front. So that's going to go on the axles up at the top. And it needs to go this way. No. Which way is it going? Oh, it does go this way. So those two, that goes in there. There we go. It goes like that. And I need to get... Okay, we'll hook 2 of these red axle connectors together. And the yellow axle goes on there. And that goes on the gray axle on the bottom. Okay, and now we have this kind of ball joint, articulating ball joint here. And that goes in there. Okay, that's it. Oh, okay, so we have a whole nother section here. I think this is not part of this part, or not part of the gearbox, it doesn't look like, or it's the... I think this is the base for the chairs, from the looks of it. Okay, let's go that. Okay, we have lots of blue pins to put in here. Okay. I didn't forget any gears. Okay, okay, we have an L. And wait, did I miss an L over here? I did. I'm supposed to put an L here and 2 black pins, and now I put this I-beam piece with the pins coming out of it. That side. Oh, there's an L that goes the other way. Okay. Oh, I missed this part. Oh, I'm supposed to put this over here. Supposed to be a long blue pin going through here. Oops. Did that wrong. It's supposed to go there. Then that hooks up there. And then this hooks up like that. Okay. That's how that goes. axle, that gear, and the red axle with the black gear. Okay. That's gonna go the bottom one, and that goes in the top one. I think that's how it goes. And then another one of these operations here. The long blue pin through there. Like that, and that is supposed to go on the other side. It's supposed to hold like that. Okay. That's interesting. And an L beam, or 2 L beams. We're gonna put one here. And then another one is gonna hold, that up, okay. Okay, now that's all held together. 4 black pins on the bottom. And those black in the L beams. Okay, there we go. That's just to flip it around. Okay, that wasn't a 2 times, was it? Okay, this is 2 times. Okay, we'll put 2. Get this all together. These frames. Okay, and then I-beams. Okay, so then this goes in here, in there, and then it's like that. Okay, there we got the 2 of them. Oh, okay, that goes in between those 2. Okay, so we're gonna go this way, and then it's supposed to hook up like that. This is gonna be something that does connect to the gearbox. Is it gonna be the? Okay, we got lots of these long blue pins. And then the 15 beam here. Okay, and then we have 4 black pins. Like that. And we got 2 of these red pins. So again, going towards the middle on these frames. Okay. Always fun to get stuff inside these little frames. Okay, we do that like that. Okay, and then 3 black pins. There's 1 on the inside here. And 1 on either side. And then that is supposed to hook up to that. Where is that hooking up to? Okay, so where does it? Okay, that goes up here. So it's going to slide all the way back. Well, it slides all the way back and hooks into the actual frame. So I'm supposed to hook that back up down here. There we go. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we see that. These gears are up here. Okay, so we have two of these with a pin. And we're going to put those into where? They're right there? Okay. We'll try putting them there. On the frame here, and they are facing outwards, so. And then I take these and you rotate them down and push them into the sides here. That's good. And I have the articulating joint here again. And that goes where? That's supposed to go down here. Okay. I don't know how any of this is going to end up working, but is that, yeah, okay, that's turning there. Let's go. We have this two-sided one here. I'm supposed to put the collar onto the yellow axle now. And this sits here. Okay, fun. Okay, we have this bigger ball joint, articulating joint here. And I'm supposed to put this on here with a tan gear. This two-sided pin piece, and then a beam on one side, and a red axle out this side. Okay, and now that hooks up to this other articulating beam. Or joint, and I'm supposed to plug that into there. Okay, so there we go. We've got some stuff happening here. Is that going to be the drive? What's going to drive the front wheels? Is that the idea? Okay, here, and then we need a long red pin on that. And that's just going to hold everything like so. And then probably push into this green. Yeah, there we go. And then we have another one of these green double-sided pins, a beam with pins on two sides, and that's going to go in here. Okay. And an axle connector, gear, and that goes on here. So got another gear there. I can see what's going to happen there. We put a red gear on the black axle up here. Oh, there, that's meshing. So that meshes there. And a white, this white piece goes on here. And yeah, so the clutch piece goes on top of that. And we put the axle with the smooth piece on it, and then a gear, a red gear on top of that. Now I gotta make a little contraption here to support something. Okay, there's that. And that goes to support those two axles. Oh, I see. We're going to get those red pins, and then we're going to push those red pins in. Yeah, we are. There we go. And I can put the axle connector on the red axle, and then there's a collar on the top tan one. Now we have a 5 beam, 2 times 5 beam. We doing this twice? Okay, we are doing this twice. Okay, so we put black pins and then a blue pin through that side. We got 2 of those, and one goes on each side here. The blue pin goes into the corner. Okay, maybe not. It shows it like this. There is definitely, oh, on this side, that's how it goes. Okay, yeah, it doesn't go into the corner. It can't. It's gonna go like that. Okay, so those 2 are in. This green beam goes on this side. And I have a black 9 beam that goes on the other side. Okay. Now we have another, okay, we're gonna put 4 of these. This is for the gear shifter. And yeah, it's the same thing as with the other sets with the gear shifting. And then I need an axle, and I need to stick that in the middle there. Pop this on there. And that, well, that's going to sit. I'm going to push that through a little bit. A little bit more, we'll see. Sits there. Okay, and now we have brown axle. We got these 5 beams, or half beams. We're going to put red axles on either side. Need this collar on here. And yeah, there we go. We'll put that down there. And there we go. That's like that. And then there's another brown axle. This time we're going to put the I-beam on there. Okay, and then we have a couple of black pins. Oh, I have to get this on here first. Okay, then we can get the I-beam through there. Then it's a small, oh no, it's this wheel. And then a big collar. Okay, and now we'll do this 2 times. Get down to the last of these axles here, finally. The last. Oops, it should go this way, not that way. Okay, like that. Yeah, that's right. For the shifting, and that is supposed to go. That sits there. These sit on either side. Like that. The shifting, and then collars on each one, and now I take 5 beam, pop it on top there. No, like that. And 2 of them. 2 of them are supposed to go on top. Okay, and then there's the rubber band that goes between 2 of these. I'm gonna put these 2 ball joints in here. That's to hold that together. Like that. Okay. And then I flip this over. We got a... okay, this has to go through there into the I-beam. And that has to go through there into the I-beam. Okay, so that's like that, and I have 2 black pins up here. And now we're on this side. So that has to sit this way. Okay, yeah, it sits this way. Okay, and then that's gonna just push. So it'll be like that, and I think it's gotta push. Is it that right? Okay, yeah, that's right. And then I think that's gotta push on there. And that is it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so that's gonna turn that. Now we need what the last pieces here to hook things together. Like that's gonna go through there. Axle connector. Ball articulating joint. This axle goes in here. And where am I dropping this? This is going to drop okay. Can I figure out how this is gonna drop? Honestly, it's like here, but where are we? Man, that's a tough one to tell. So I know that goes in there. And I feel this has to go there. I can't, like the I, is it? Yeah, it's right. Okay, it does show beside the I-beam. Okay, it is beside the I-beam. On the I-beam. Any other pins? No. Okay, now we put this on here. And I gotta stick this over here. And then that goes through there. Okay, that's right. Well, nothing's connected yet. Well, these are last pieces, so I guess it's close, but not quite. That's the end of the first bag, I guess. It's there, but the pieces aren't all connected yet. That's right. Yeah, everything is right. They definitely are not meshed at the moment. Okay. There it is. That has been part 5 of my Lamborghini Sian build. Finally finished the part 1, or the 1 bags, and that finishes off the gearbox for the most part, and what would be the rear suspension, I believe. I've just ended with not quite connecting the shifting mechanism all together. But if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.